Are you ready for a new player in the battery game? After years of trailing behind, Japan is finally catching up to China in the race for battery dominance, and things are about to get electrifying. Imagine a world with electric cars that drive for days without a recharge, smartphones that never seem to run out of juice, and even electric planes taking to the skies, redefining what's possible in green aviation. This isn't just a distant dream. It's happening now with groundbreaking innovations like CATL's cutting-edge battery technology leading the charge. The CATL condensed battery, developed by Chinese battery giant CATL, is making waves in the tech world. This isn't just another battery, it's a game changer. This innovative technology boasts incredible energy density, meaning it can store more power in a smaller space. That's huge news for everything from electric vehicles to portable electronics. Get ready to say goodbye to bulky batteries and hello to a new era of power. Let's talk energy density, the key factor that determines how much power can be packed into a given space. It's a concept that's revolutionizing the way we think about batteries and energy storage. The heart of this breakthrough lies in advancements in material science and engineering. Researchers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating batteries that are not only more powerful, but also more efficient and compact. The CATL condensed battery is a prime example of this innovation. It crams more energy into the same space as traditional batteries, making it a game changer in the industry. Imagine the possibilities when you can store more power without increasing the size or weight of the battery. Think of it like fitting all your clothes for a week-long trip into a small backpack. It's not just about saving space. It's about maximizing efficiency and convenience. This is exactly what the CATL condensed battery achieves in the realm of energy storage. That's the magic of this technology. It opens up new possibilities for a wide range of applications, from consumer electronics to electric vehicles and beyond. The potential is truly limitless. For electric vehicles, this means longer driving ranges without needing bigger, heavier batteries. Imagine being able to drive for hundreds of miles on a single charge without worrying about finding a charging station. This could transform the way we travel and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. For your phone, it means saying goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to days of use on a single charge. No more constantly searching for an outlet or carrying around a bulky power bank. With this technology, you can stay connected and productive for longer periods without interruption. And it's not just about phones and cars. This breakthrough has the potential to impact a wide range of devices, from smartwatches and tablets to medical equipment and renewable energy storage systems. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are far-reaching. Moreover, these advanced batteries are more environmentally friendly. They can help reduce our carbon footprint by enabling more efficient use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. This is a crucial step toward a more sustainable future. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the future of battery technology looks incredibly promising. With each new breakthrough, we move closer to a world where energy is more accessible, efficient, and sustainable for everyone. So, the next time you use your phone, drive your electric car, or power up any device, remember the incredible advancements in battery technology that make it all possible. We're packing more power into less space, and the impact is nothing short of revolutionary. Safety is paramount when it comes to batteries, and CATL understands that. The condensed battery is engineered with advanced materials and a robust design to ensure stability and prevent overheating. This means peace of mind for consumers, knowing their devices are powered by a safe and reliable energy source. From electric cars to power tools, safety is non-negotiable, and CATL delivers. Remember the days of waiting hours for your phone to charge? Well, those days are numbered. The CATL condensed battery boasts incredibly fast charging capabilities thanks to its innovative electro design and optimized chemistry. Imagine plugging in your electric car for a quick coffee break and returning to a nearly full charge. That's the convenience and efficiency this technology offers. The versatility of the CATL condensed battery is truly remarkable. This battery isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a multifaceted powerhouse designed to meet the diverse energy needs of various industries. From the automotive sector to aerospace and even consumer electronics, this battery is making waves. It's not just for electric cars, folks. While electric vehicles are a significant part of its application, the CATL condensed battery goes beyond just powering our daily commutes. Imagine a world where your car charges faster, runs longer, and performs better, all thanks to this advanced battery technology. This technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. Think about the tech industry, where battery life is crucial for the performance of gadgets and devices. The CATL condensed battery can extend the life of your smartphones, laptops, and other portable devices, making them more reliable and efficient. Imagine drones that can stay airborne for hours, performing tasks that were previously unimaginable, from aerial photography to industrial inspections. The extended flight time provided by this battery can significantly enhance the capabilities of drones, making them more versatile and efficient. Power tools with longer run times are another exciting application. For professionals in construction and manufacturing, this means increased productivity and less downtime. The CATL condensed battery ensures that your tools are always ready to go, providing consistent power for longer periods. And even electric airplanes taking to the skies. The aviation industry is on the brink of a revolution, with electric aircraft becoming a reality. These planes promise to reduce carbon emissions and make air travel more sustainable, with the CATL condensed battery at the heart of it all. Of this transformation, providing the necessary power to make electric flight feasible, the possibilities are endless thanks to the battery's adaptability and impressive performance across various applications. Whether it's in transportation, consumer electronics, industrial tools, or aerospace, the CATL condensed battery is paving the way for a more efficient and sustainable future. This is just the beginning of what this incredible technology can achieve. As we transition to a more sustainable future, energy storage is crucial. The CATL condensed battery plays a vital role in this transition.